How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly activate the Lowe's credit card online. So in order to initiate the online activation process for your Lowe's credit card, adhere to the following guidelines. First of all, you have to launch your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome and navigate to lowes.com/activate in the web search and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be directed to the official page of Lowe's. Now almost in the middle of the screen, you can see the box of accessing your account where you need to enter the correct form of your user ID and your password and click on secure login in order to log into your Lowe's credit card account. Here, input your designated user ID and password accurately first. And if you wish to verify your password, select show to display it. Otherwise, you can simply leave it the way it is. And if you want to remember your user ID for this browser or this device, you can simply check on this option over here. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, assistance is available just below. You can click on Forgot My User ID if you want to retry your user ID, and you can click on this password option over here if you want to simply reset your password. And if you haven't registered or applied for the Lowe's credit card account yet, you can click on this Register or Apply option in order to do so. After entering the correct form of your user ID and your password, you can click on the secure login option, which is highlighted in blue color, and then you will be successfully logged into your Lowe's credit card account. And after logging into your Lowe's account, you can click on the activate credit card option and adhere to the instructions displayed on the screen to complete the activation of your Lowe's credit card. So this was all about how can you activate the Lowe's credit card online account. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your viewership.